it. We gonna make it. Yeah! Damn, dude, I'm a fucking legend. What's going on, people? Oh, man. Wait a second. Do I go follow these old-ass men? Nah, we can't. Not today. That would have been some fun, though. I mean, to be honest with you, like, I'd ride with a pack of trikes. I don't care. I ride with anybody. 2 wheels is 2 wheels, right? Here's my only problem. I forgot to buckle my helmet in. Nice. That's okay. Who cares about that, though? What? Did she say knobby? What's a knobby? Dude, I love it. Day one with a GoPro and I'm already getting yelled at. Being called a knobby. Nice. What's up, dude? What's up? It is actually absolutely beautiful out. It's like 70 degrees in August. I mean, does a knobby ride like that? I guess so. I just realized I'm riding like a knobby, whatever that means, and I have expired tags. But I guess it's Corona season, so fuck it, right? Whatever. We can do whatever we want. Who gives a damn? It's Corona season, baby! It's like White Claw season, but with coughing and sneezing and stuff. Run, Nobby, run! Yeah, so basically I'm also using my phone in my pocket for GPS. This thing was holding my other phone, my very expensive Note 10 Plus. Look, it literally, if you see this here, how there's no rubber on the side here, I don't know if you can see that, and there's rubber on this side. Yeah, well, a piece of rubber flew off along with my bike, so this thing. So you know something? I went all this way to return a package to UPS, and guess what? I don't have a backpack on, so it's at my house. Good thing I brought my helmet today. Hi, Dad. I love you, Dad. I got time to make up. I'm in a rush. It's my day off. I got beer to drink, things to watch. Yeah, you know what I mean. So anyway, now that we have our precious package, we can continue on with our day. I already know a lot of people are gonna go, hey man, it's not a Harley. You know what I mean? Like, nice bike and all, but it ain't no Harley. You know what? I understand that. Harleys, don't get me wrong, they're fantastic bikes. I actually literally ride them every single day. Whoa, Nelly! Yeah, so anyway, I literally work with Harleys every day of my life that I am at work. And don't get me wrong, I absolutely love Harleys, okay? You know, besides this bike right here, yeah, it's my favorite make of motorcycle. The Lowrider S is actually my dream bike and by far my favorite motorcycle on the market right now. But, to be fair, the Lowrider S just does not feel like that, man. It just doesn't. My whole rear tire just right out from the ass of me. Yeah, you can maybe do that on a Harley Davidson, that's fine, but this baby is stock. She's 100% stock and she's whooping ass like that. Minus the pipes, of course, but other than that, I mean, there's nothing else done. There's no tune, there's no aftermarket air breather. Literally, we're looking at a completely stock motorcycle, minus the fact that I removed the baffles. Because, you know, you can't be on a motorcycle that's quiet, right? No, it sounds great, it performs great, it looks great. Remember guys, it's Corona season, so I can do whatever I want, right? That's how this works. straight from the factory. You get an absolute machine of a bike. I mean, I know I said that it'll beat any Harley. Honestly, it truly will. And I'm gonna have a lot of people hitting me back on that one, like, I don't believe you, no way, you haven't raced me yet, my bike's got 22 superchargers on it, and it's lifted 6 inches with 35-inch mud tires. Okay, man, sure, maybe you got a mud tire motorcycle, you know, but you ain't got no Mitsubishi, Suzuki, Yamaha RAIDER, baby. I mean, really? The craziest part I think about this motorcycle is the fact that anytime I park it somewhere or even ride with somebody or catch up in a group, you know what I mean? Anytime I'm around other people who ride, I would say only 1 out of 40 times somebody goes, that's a Yamaha RAIDER. Everybody else goes, what kind of Harley is that, man? Or they literally just don't even know what the hell it is at all. They can't even guess. They don't think it's a Harley. They don't think it's a Yamaha. They don't think it's a Suzuki. They don't know. I understand that, you know, there's a whole world out there of Harley guys that are specifically going to always be like, look, Harley forever, only Harley. I don't care about any other brand. Everything else is metric and sucks. We're just going to toss it away. I understand that. I really do. I mean, really, the Harley brand itself is absolutely amazing. And this is coming from a 23-year-old. I mean, it really is a brotherhood. You could run into absolutely anybody you don't know, and because they have a Harley shirt on, and you have a Harley shirt on, or you ride a Harley and they ride a Harley, you guys are all of a sudden best friends. My only issue with it is that I wish they felt the same about every motorcycle. Because to be honest, the way I look at it, 2 wheels is 2 wheels, man. Heck, I even wave to tri-glides. I don't care. I'll wave to a Can-Am. I'll wave to 50cc scooters. You know, just because you don't have $30,000 laying around to get you a Harley doesn't mean that you can't still enjoy being on 2 wheels. The reason why this bike is the most underrated bike, in my opinion, is simply for the fact that this thing, you could pick it up used for like 6 or 7 grand with like 10,000 miles on it. And I'm not even kidding. I mean, I bought this one from a dealership, a Harley dealership actually. I was out the door after taxes and everything for like 6,500 bucks. I mean, even at a dealership. Just think about that. You could pick up this bike on the Facebook Marketplace or even a dealership for practically nothing. That's what makes the value of this bike so huge, at least in my opinion. And it's not like it's a slow motorcycle. I knew this was gonna happen. Absolutely whoops cheek, and that's a fact. Yeah, so don't get me wrong, I love Harley Davidson. My only problem is that I have yet to experience a bike that makes me feel the way this bike does. I take that back, to be honest. I'm pretty sure the Lowrider S made me feel a little bit better than this bike has. That's my favorite bike. I can't go wrong, man. I love that bike. For anybody else that owns a Yamaha RAIDER, you understand what I'm saying. I'm sure you respect all kinds of other bikes. You basically just like 2 wheels at the end of the day, and that's how most of us are, right? It has 1900cc, just about. It's like 1880 something. 113 cubic inch, 210 stock rear tire on the back that allows you to break loose and have an absolute blast. Saw, dude. This bike for $6,000 or $7,000, sometimes even less, you just cannot find anything else that has this kind of power or this style for that price. You just simply can't. And that's why I say it's the most underrated bike of all time. Gotta catch up with my Floridian homie who actually almost just murdered me. I mean, it's completely effortless. It is just so easy to just roll and have her go. And I mean, I think I'm in 5th gear, top gear. And honestly, it rolls, baby. right now at about 85 miles an hour. I mean, look at that. That wasn't even full throttle. That was just barely. God, dude, this thing is just so much fun, man. You can't beat it. You just can't. Look at that. It is the most effortless thing ever. One hand, just barely. Look at that. Look at that. And we're going. Why do you think I've owned two? And all my coworkers own street bobs, so I guarantee you after they see this video, they're gonna be like, dude, you talked a lot of crap about your bike being faster than my street bob. Little do you know, I own a street bob that's got 12 turbochargers on it, a 6-inch lowering kit, and 32-inch tires, baby. Well, I guess you got me beat, man. Street bob it is. It is. Show me a street bob that can do that, and then we'll talk, baby. Now, don't get me wrong. Just because she's fast and fun and pretty does not mean that it comes with flaws. I apologize, I said that backwards. Doesn't mean that it does not come without any flaws, okay? This bike does have flaws, and to be honest with you, my biggest flaw with this bike is the fact that it only has 5 gears. I mean, of course it still rolls like I was showing you, but listen to how high it's just sitting. It's itching for that 6th gear, and that's the biggest problem with this bike, is that it just wants a 6th gear so bad. It's like, please give me a 6th gear. I don't have the 6th gear, man. I'm sorry. I'm trying. Like, look, nothing's happening, man. I love all motorcycles. There's absolutely tons of fantastic motorcycles out there. But just my personal opinion, this bike, for the price, you just can't beat it. Of course, this guy's gonna ruin my moment to drag some knee, baby. Drag a knee, baby. Yeah. I'm sure I missed an absolute ton of things. I guess the other problem I have with this bike, one of my biggest... Oh, man! Oh! Dude, I'm getting hit with rocks, dude. Ah, God. Ow, why? Why do you hit me with rocks, bro? Is it portable? I used to go to school on one of those things. Portables? I think that's what that is. How is it in my eyes? I don't understand. Okay, thank you. Some less rocks on your way home. The other main problem I have with this bike is the aftermarket world is just not very big. And when you do find something that you want from the aftermarket world, it is twice the price as it would be for any other bike. And by any other bike, I think I mean Harley. Harley's just the most customizable motorcycle in the world. And because they have so many different competitors in the aftermarket world making parts for the bike, they can basically charge whatever they want, you know what I mean? They can charge real high prices or real low prices. And there's so many competitors to where it makes it actually like a fair market. You can get whatever you want. As with this bike, and I'm sure every other metric bike, the aftermarket part world is basically non-existent. It's twice the expense as any other bike's parts. I mean, a side license plate mount for this thing is $80. My actual rear brake light on my bike is attached to the license plate holder. I'm sure you saw what I mean in the little editing montage there, but so the rear tail light holds on the license plate. I have to buy a whole nother license plate or a whole nother rear tail light to actually put underneath the bike, which is $350 plus the $80 side mounting bracket. I mean, that is a lot of money just to move a license plate. So anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching. Shout out Fairways Harley Davidson as we come past it. Don't see anybody out there. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I absolutely appreciate it. Please hit that subscribe and like button. Please stay tuned. There's going to be an absolute insane amount of videos. I don't plan on giving up this time. We're going to have a video at least once a week. I'm going to try for 2 times a week. But stay tuned if you enjoyed this video. There's definitely gonna be plenty more videos of different content. I'm gonna have a lot of videos too up with my my cake on the back. And I say cake because she got cakes. But anyway, thank you guys so much. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy your day, Karen. Even if you're a Karen, I love you too. Anyway, thanks guys. Please stay tuned. More to come.